Stop wasting your money on outdated security systems that leave your home vulnerable. In 2026, if you're serious about protecting your sanctuary, you need more than just a doorbell camera. Today, we're diving deep into the absolute best premium smart home security systems money can buy. We're talking cutting-edge tech, robust protection, and ultimate peace of mind. And trust me, our number one pick this year isn't just a camera, it's a fortress in a box, a subscription-free powerhouse that redefines what premium security truly means. Let's kick things off with number 5 on our list of premium picks. At number 5, we have the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This is a solid choice if you're already embedded in the Google ecosystem. Its best features include superb video quality with HDR, intelligent person, animal, and vehicle detection, and seamless integration with your existing Google Home devices for a truly unified smart experience. It's perfect for anyone wanting a reliable, smart outdoor eye with a familiar user interface. However, its honest flaw is that while it's a brilliant camera, it's not a full security system on its own. Plus, its full feature set often relies on a Nest-aware subscription, adding a recurring cost for optimal use, and it primarily requires a wired connection for power. But what if you need more flexibility than a wired cam can offer? What if you want to ditch the cables entirely? Sliding into the number 4 spot is the Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight camera. This is a fantastic wire-free option for premium outdoor surveillance. Its best features are undoubtedly its 2K HDR video resolution, an integrated spotlight for color night vision, a super-wide 160-degree field of view, and convenient direct-to-Wi-Fi connectivity. It's ideal for renters or homeowners who demand high-quality, flexible monitoring without the hassle of wires, and who need clear, detailed footage day and night. The honest flaw here is that while the battery life is good, it isn't infinite, and it will require periodic recharging. Like many premium cameras, some advanced features, like 30-day cloud storage, necessitate an Arlo Secure subscription, adding an ongoing expense for the best experience. Now, while individual cameras are fantastic, what if you want a whole home security blanket, something that goes beyond just watching and actively protects? Our number 3 premium pick is the SimpliSafe 9-piece wireless system. This is an excellent choice for a comprehensive, modular security setup. Its best features include truly easy DIY installation, flexible professional monitoring options with absolutely no long-term contracts, and a robust array of environmental sensors for fire, water, and carbon monoxide. It also boasts a reliable cellular backup in case your internet goes down. This system is tailor-made for homeowners who want a complete, customizable security solution with professional monitoring without being locked into rigid agreements. The honest flaw with SimpliSafe is that while it's wireless, the system relies heavily on a central base station, which can be a single point of failure if tampered with. Also, for a premium list, its cameras sometimes feel a step behind dedicated camera systems in terms of sheer image quality. SimpliSafe offers that comprehensive approach, but if you're already in the smart home game, especially with Amazon devices, our next pick takes integration to a whole new level. Coming in at number 2, we have the Ring Alarm 14-piece system. This is a powerhouse of a security kit, especially for larger homes. Its best features include an expansive array of contact and motion sensors for extensive coverage, seamless integration with the entire Ring ecosystem of doorbells and cameras, and robust Z-Wave compatibility for vast smart home expansion. It also offers optional professional monitoring with cellular and battery backup. This system is perfect for anyone deeply invested in the Amazon or Ring ecosystem, or those needing a full, robust security package with serious smart home potential. The honest flaw, for some users, centers on privacy concerns given Amazon's data practices. While incredibly versatile, the sheer number of components can sometimes be overwhelming to manage, and the Ring Protect Plan subscription is almost essential for truly unlocking its full capabilities. Ring is undoubtedly a powerhouse, but what if you could have all that, plus next-level AI, 4K detail, and say goodbye to monthly fees forever? And our #1 premium smart home security system for 2026 is the incredible Eufy Security eufyCam 3. This system truly sets a new standard. Its best features are nothing short of revolutionary: stunning 4K UHD video resolution, cutting-edge bionic mind AI for advanced facial recognition and drastically reduced false alarms, an astounding 365-day battery life that's even extendable with a solar panel, and best of all, secure local storage with absolutely no monthly fees, backed by military-grade encryption. The eufyCam 3 is for the discerning homeowner who demands cutting-edge technology, crystal-clear detail, long-term savings by avoiding subscriptions, and unparalleled privacy with its local storage and advanced on-device AI. Now, its honest flaw: the initial setup, particularly getting the advanced AI features tuned just right, can be a bit more involved than some plug-and-play options. And while the local storage is fantastic, if the home base itself is compromised, so is your footage, though cloud backup is an optional add-on if you choose. And there you have it, the absolute pinnacle of premium smart home security for 2026. Remember, investing in your home's safety is one of the smartest decisions you'll ever make. For the absolute best, most up-to-date pricing on all these systems, head down to the pinned comment and the description below right now. And if this video helped you secure your peace of mind, hit that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews, and let me know your top pick in the comments.